Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to another episode of the LWS English Podcast. I am your host, and I am truly, deeply happy to be here with you today. There is nothing I love more than sharing this journey of learning with people who believe that it is never too late to start something new. Before we dive into our amazing topic today, I have a very special message, a heart-to-heart talk with you. Many of you write to me or tell me, I love your lessons, I understand what you say, but when I try to speak, I forget the words. Is my memory bad? Am I too old for this? My dear friend, please listen to me carefully. Your memory is not bad. You are not too old to learn English. In fact, your brain is a magnificent machine. The problem isn't your age, it's the method. You don't need a younger brain, you just need the right tricks to make your current brain work for you. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to stop forgetting. I will give you the keys to the memory door. But first, if you are serious about mastering English and want to receive these brain boost lessons every week, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Also, I want to meet you. Please leave a comment below with your name, your city, and your age. I love to see that our community is full of wise, mature students who know that age is just a number. Let's begin our journey. Part 1. Why do we forget? The biological truth. It is very frustrating, right? You spend time studying a new word today, you feel proud, and then tomorrow morning, poof, it is gone. You try to speak, and there is a blank space in your head. You feel like your head is a bucket with a big hole in the bottom. But here's the biological truth. Your brain is actually being very smart when it forgets. Our brains are designed to survive. Every day, you see thousands of pieces of information. If your brain remembered everything, every license plate of every car, every price in the supermarket, you would go crazy. So your brain has a filter. It asks, is this information important for survival? If you just read a list of 50 random words from a book, your brain says, this is trash. I don't need this to find food or stay safe, and it deletes the information to save space. To remember English, we must trick the brain. We must say, hey, this word is not trash. This word is important for my life, my dreams, and my happiness. We don't need a better memory, we need a better connection. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to stop forgetting. I will give you the keys to the memory door. But first, if you are serious about mastering English and want to receive these brain boost lessons every week, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Also, I want to meet you. Please leave a comment below with your name, your city, and your age. I love to see that our community is full of wise, mature students who know that age is just a number. Let's begin our journey. Part 3. Brain trick number 2. The golden sentence rule. Context is queen. A word alone is a lonely word, and in the world of memory, lonely words are the first ones to die. To keep a word alive in your mind, you must give it friends. In English, these friends are other words that create a context. I call this the golden sentence rule. You should never, ever study a word by itself. If you learn the word family, don't just write family in your notebook. That is boring for your brain. Your brain doesn't care about a generic family. It cares about your family. Instead, write a sentence about your real life. I love eating dinner with my family on Sundays. Now, family is connected to the taste of Sunday dinner, to the faces of your children or grandchildren, and to the feeling of love. Personal sentences are like super glue. They stick the English word to your real-life memories and emotions. As mature learners, we have a huge advantage here. We have 50 or 60 years of stories, memories, and experiences. Use those stories. If you learn the word garden, write about your garden. If you learn travel, write about your favorite trip. When you use your own life as the teacher, your memory becomes ironclad. Part 4, Brain Trick Number 3, Spaced Repetition, the art of watering the garden. The biggest mistake students make, especially those who are very motivated, is cramming. This means studying for 3 hours on Saturday and then not touching English until the next weekend. This is a disaster for your memory. Think of your memory like a garden. If you give a plant 20 liters of water in one day and then no water for 2 weeks, the plant will die. To keep the plant alive, you need to give it a little bit of water every day. The secret is spaced repetition. It means seeing the information just as you are about to forget it. Here is the perfect schedule for a new word. Day 1, learn the word and visualize it. Day 2, review the golden sentence you wrote. Day 4, say the word out loud while driving or cooking. Day 7, use the word in a new sentence. Every time you remind your brain about the word, the neural path in your head becomes wider and stronger. After 4 or 5 repetitions, the word moves from your short-term memory to your long-term memory. This is why I always say 15 minutes of English every single day is 100 times better than 4 hours once a week. Consistency is the secret sauce of memory. Part 5, A Message of Hope for the Mature Learner. I want to speak directly to my students who are in the prime of their lives, the 50s, 60s, and 70s. Sometimes society tries to tell us that our brains are slowing down. They say learning a language is for kids. They are wrong. You have something a 20-year-old student does not have: context and discipline. You have a lifetime of vocabulary in your own language that you can bridge to English. You have the patience to sit down and focus. You are not learning for a test. You are learning for yourself, for your brain health, and for your future travels or family. Don't be afraid of the blank spaces. When you can't remember a word, don't get angry. Don't say, "I'm too old." Instead, just smile and say, "It's okay. My brain is just busy today. I will try again tomorrow." Stay calm. Stress produces a hormone called cortisol, and cortisol is the enemy of memory. If you are relaxed and happy, your memory opens up like a flower. Learning English should be your happy hour. Part 6, Summary and your homework. Let's review our 3 brain tricks so you can start using them today. Visualize in HD. Don't just see a word, see a movie with smells and sounds. Golden sentences. Never let a word be lonely. Connect it to your personal life stories. Spaced repetition. Be a consistent gardener. 15 minutes a day, every day. If you practice these 3 things, I promise you, in just a few weeks, you will feel a shift. You will be watching a movie or talking to a friend, and the words will just appear. You won't have to pull them out, they will flow out. Thank you so much for spending these 1,200 words of wisdom with me today. You are doing something amazing for yourself. Every new word you learn is a victory for your brain health and your personal growth. Before you go, let's do our final check. Subscribe to the LWS English Podcast. We have so many brain boosts coming for you. Like this video to help us reach more students who feel frustrated with their memory. Comment below. I am waiting to read your name, your age, and which trick was your favorite. Was it the mental movie, the golden sentence, or the spaced repetition? Keep your mind active, keep your heart full of joy, and never stop dreaming. I will see you in our next lesson. Listen, write, and speak. This is the LWS way. Bye-bye for now.